Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm unboxing again. Yes, unboxing Nike again. This is Nike and the model is SolarSoft Thong 2. Oh my god. Yeah, I chose the size is size 10. It's not the normal shoes. It's a sandal or slipper. Let's see it. Boom. What inside the box is the sandal, the slipper. Wow. And they even give the hanger. Oh my. Let's see it. The first thing I saw the sender is you read the squish me. I hope, yeah. Squish. Wow, it's really soft. Yeah, this one thing is surprised me really because I ordered this through online through the Nike official website. So I even don't try it before I buy. That's why when I receive it, I saw this sticker squish me. Then after I squish it, wow, it's really soft. I think it's very good to wear. So later I will show it. I will try it. And today not only the open box for the sandal. There is two more things I want to share about. Yes, it's a Nike t-shirt. This one I choose the white color. Same, I order online through the Nike official website. Wow, you see the shoes. And the size I choose is L size. Yep, it's L size for me. Normally I wear M size, but this one I choose lucky. I chose the L size because the M size I think is smaller than this one. And the other one is blue color. It's Nike also same. Nike. So you can see the detail here. Yeah, it's something. The design is something like blurring. Yeah, that's why I buy it. The size is L size also. It's lucky that I chose L size because I think M size is quite fixed to me. It's very fixed. Let's see how the outlook. Yeah, there is the outlook just now. I showed how the outlook and the first impression of this sandal. I just one word. Wow. Oh, sorry, it's 3 words. Wow. Yeah, it's when I wear it. It's like I just standing on the tau hook or pudding. Yeah. It's very soft and yeah, your feet will never feel tired if you stand long time on it. Yeah, it's really soft. I think it's really worth to buy this sandal. Yeah, if you guys is interested, you can search for the SolarSoft Thong 2 THONG. Yeah. And the t-shirts. Yeah, just now I show you the white and the blue one. Yeah. That's all for the video of the today's. Please share and subscribe my channel, please. Salam hair. Yeah, keep safe everyone. Keep safe. Yeah, see you on my next video. Bye.